Hi dears, how are you? Did you watch the previous stories? Did you enjoy those stories? Today I have got another story for you, Joe and its mom. You know who is Joe? It is the kid camel. And it would be an interesting story. Shall we see the story? Before seeing, if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it. Come, we will move into the story. Once there lived a camel and its kid Joe. Joe is a shrewd and more enthusiastic kid. One day they both were lying on the ground. That time Joe was deeply thinking something. Mom asked, Joe, why are you so dull? Is anything wrong with you, dear? Joe did not answer anything. Next day, Joe could not resist anymore. It asked his mom, Mom, why we have such a big hump? Mom smiled and replied, We are desert animals, no? Humps help us to store more water. It can be used for many days, so we can live without water in the desert. Joe continued his second question. Mom, why our eyelashes are so long? Sometimes it hides my sight also, Mom. What is the reason behind having long eyelashes, Mom? Mom proudly replied, We are desert animals, no? To protect our eyes from desert wind and sand, our eyes has been created like that by God. So only we have got long eyelashes. Kids are always more shrewd than the elders. They will observe things deeply and continuously ask questions. Joe continued the next question. Mom, why our legs are more long and the feet is round shaped? Mom replied, To make us comfortably walk in the desert sand, God has created our legs so long and the feet round shaped. Baby Joe, after thinking for a while, Mom, as you told, our humps store more water to make us possible to live in the deserts. And our eyelashes are so long to protect us from desert sand and wind. And our legs are long with round feet to make us comfortably walk in the desert. So, if we are created like this by God to live in desert, then what we are doing in the zoo, Mom? Now did you understand where the conversation between the mom and Joe happened? It is in the zoo. This time mom could not answer, it went speechless. So, what did you learn from the story? Our abilities, skills, experiences, and knowledge will be useful only if we are at the right place. Did you like the story? If you liked it, share with your friends. I will meet you tomorrow with another fine story. Bye bye. Take care.